Hello students, now today theorem of a cyclic quadrilateral. The theorem is the converse of cyclic quadrilateral. If a pair of opposite angle, if a pair of opposite angle of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. Quadrilateral is cyclic. देखो क्या है कि पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ ए quadrilateral is 180. Quadrilateral is a cyclic. It means the vertex of a quadrilateral lies on the circumference of circle. Now here a circle D dash and D. Both have figure. In this theorem, given A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral in which angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. To prove A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Proof. Let us suppose that ABCD not a cyclic quadrilateral. Draw a circle passing through the point ABC. Draw a circle passing through the three non-collinear point ABC. Let this circle CD, this circle cut the line CD at D dash. This circle cut the line CD at D dash. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle AD 180 degree. It is given, and angle ABC plus angle AD'C 180 degree. अपोजिट ये 180 डिग्री है, क्यों? अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ ए साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल, अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ ए साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल, यानी जो साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल ये दिया गया है, इस साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल के जो अपोजिट एंगल हैं उनका सम 180 डिग्री है. फ्रॉम बोथ कंडीशन दे आर इक्वल, फ्रॉम बोथ कंडीशन दे आर इक्वल, सो देयरफॉर एंगल ABC प्लस एंगल ADC इक्वल टू एंगल ABC प्लस एंगल AD'C. ABC कैंसिल. नाउ एंगल ADC इक्वल टू एंगल AD'C. This is not possible since an exterior angle of a triangle, this is not possible that an exterior angle of a triangle can never be equal to its interior opposite angle. This is not possible to that an exterior angle of a triangle can never be equal to interior opposite angle. So therefore angle ADC equal to angle AD'C is possible only when D and D' coincide each other. D and D' coincide each other. Therefore, the circle passing through the non-collinear point ABC, they are also passes D also. They are passes D also. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट, Question number one of exercise 10.5. Question number 1 of exercise 10.5. A, B and C are 3 points on a circle. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. A, B and C. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O. Now join A to O, C and B such that angle BOC 60 degree and BOC 30 degree and angle AOB 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle other than arc ABC, find angle ADC. Angle AOC equal to angle AOB plus BOC 60 plus 30, that's equal to 90. We know that angle subtended by an arc at the center of circle is double the angle subtended by the same arc on the remaining part of circle. किसी भी आर्क के द्वारा सेंटर पर बनाया गया एंगल सर्किल के शेष भाग में बने एंगल का डबल होता है। Therefore, angle AOC twice time angle ABC 1/2 angle AOC angle ABC 1/2 into 90 degree angle ADC, that is 45 degree angle ADC. So the required result of the given angle is 180 degree. Clear? Next question. Question number 2. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. एक सर्किल का कॉर्ड उसके रेडियस के इक्वल है. फाइंड द एंगल subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Therefore, now figure is an arc AB O is the center, OA, OB, AB. So therefore AOB is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So angle AOB 60 degree. Angle AOB 60 degree. Angle AOB AOB twice time angle ACB and 1/2 angle AOB angle ACB 1/2 60 degree angle ACB and 30 degree angle ACB. Now the reflex of angle AOB equal to 360 minus 60 equal to 300. So angle ADB reflex of angle AOB twice angle ABB and 1/2 into 300 equal to angle ABB. That's 150 degree equal to ABB. Now the angle is ADB and the angle is ACB. Clear? Thank you.